Hey guys, today we're unboxing some Hot Chicks. They are 100s and they are size 40. I bought these for an 80s party, and as soon as I finish unboxing them, I will talk about the fit and I'll walk around in them a little. The reason some people find these shoes difficult to walk in is because there's a lack of support here in the front, which means your ankles need to be very strong to be able to walk in these type of shoes. On the left here is a Pigalle Folles. On the right is the hot pink Hot Chicks. And to me, the toe box seems to be very similar, and the support level and the comfort level seem to be similar as well. So I'm going to try these on with my very sexy 80s outfit. Woo! Gotta have leg warmers with your hot pink shoes. And I think they look fantastic. Who's ready for an 80s party?